She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair. Today is wash day, so I figured I'd share how I keep things simple right now. When I wash, I keep it very basic. I don't do anything complicated. I focus on my scalp, I'm gentle, and I let the water do most of the work. As I shampoo my hair, I focus on my scalp. I don't scrub aggressively, and I don't try to manipulate my hair. After I shampoo, I rinse really well and make sure there's nothing left behind. After this rinse, I usually wash my hair a second time, depending on how bad my scalp is. After I wash, I use a cotton t-shirt to get the excess water out. I don't let my hair fully dry before moisturizing. I like my hair to still be damp, not dripping wet, but not dry either. That's when hydration actually matters. Right now I keep moisture really simple. I use mostly water. I lightly mist and then I massage into my scalp and then I leave it alone. I'm not styling, I'm not setting anything, I'm just hydrating. I'll keep sharing updates as this journey continues. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.